Tom. Tom uses automated storage and retrieval systems from Kardex Remstar. His business is going well, therefore Tom decided to expand his warehouse and to move to a larger and higher building with his 2 Kardex shuttles. Tom contacts Peter from Kardex Remstar. As always, Peter is quick on the spot and analyzes the situation. Together, they plan an efficient and smooth relocation for Tom. First of all, his existing systems are professionally disassembled and transported to the new building. In there, 4 new Kardex compact buffers have already been installed at Tom's request. The existing systems are now being reassembled next to the Kardex compact buffers. But they don't make use of the full room height. No problem. Peter has a great solution again. Thanks to their modularity, the 2 Kardex shuttles can be easily adapted to the new room height to fully use the available space. Tom treats his 2 Kardex shuttles to several upgrades. This enables him to further enhance his work processes and ensures that all units are equipped with state-of-the-art technology. Finally, the existing systems are serviced. While doing so, Peter realizes that one part needs to be replaced. No problem, because he always has the most important spare parts at hand. The part is exchanged immediately, and Tom can resume his operations in no time. Tom is excited. Kardex Remstar's modular life cycle service portfolio met all of his needs and requirements. The relocation went smoothly, and his operations are running without further interruptions. What about you? Save time, money, and energy, and be happy, just like Tom.